guys, thank you so very much for returning for another school lunch idea. So today I am sharing a very simple Halloween lunch idea. If Halloween is your favorite holiday, let me know down in the comments below. Also, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I post a new video. But let's go right on ahead and dive right on in here to this lunch. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and make them a simple sandwich with a spooky twist. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add this Southwest salad that I picked up from Sam's Club, and also I'm going to add a little bit of bacon that I made earlier. These 3 packages of dressing, cheese, corn, and also the chips come inside of the salad kit. For their sweet treat, I'm going to go ahead and add this pumpkin flavored Rice Krispie treat that I made earlier. So for their drink, I'm just going to go ahead and add a bottle of water with a little package of peach tea, just in case they didn't want plain water. So to this lunch, I'm also going to add some applesauce, a pepperoni stick, cheddar and sour cream ruffles, their salad dressing, and also some fruit snacks. So here is everything that will be in their lunches. I hope this video gave you guys an idea for a Halloween lunch. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell. But I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video.